Modern construction is like elite sport. On complex construction sites, the most diverse trades work in a confined space simultaneously and under time pressure. Ambitious schedules, cost and quality requirements can only be met if everything runs smoothly. That requires enormous coordination effort. Through construction logistics, BCL ensures safety, order, and perfectly coordinated processes. Increasing complexity, limited space, and tight timeframes on construction sites make efficient logistics more important than ever. With its wide range of services, BCL ensures that all trades can focus entirely on their core tasks. By organising and managing construction sites efficiently, we make construction simpler, more cost-effective, more predictable, and more sustainable.